extension, so then you expand it.
Estou dizendo. The man with the coach. Coach's favorite son.
I think you're supposed to look at the ball.
Oh, you're looking at that.
Bye now. Take care. Bye, Marcus.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Okay.
Small. Oh, believe me, they didn't believe me. You played already? Yeah.
Check and stop.
Send to you. I'm going to. You should have marked when you did.
Sorry.
Analytics on that pretty strong.
sorry. No, no, you don't disturb me. No.
Mitch, when I get on the plane, I'm like,
Hey, I know, right? Whoa! Who's that? No, that's not him. Somebody's birthday. Oh, it's Louis. It is Louis. Oh, they're doing it again. Oh, they're doing it again. Yep. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah. I know, so sad. Ah. Guys, I guess you're gonna be missing my ugly voice yelling and cursing you. Kyle, Terry, where's Terry?
wait, we can't forget King.
And King.
And King.
Yes, guys, try not to miss my ugly voice. Thank you, the newcomers. We appreciate you all. We love you all. Where is he?
Take a picture. You take a picture?
Yes, please. Louis is coming. Louis, hurry up. Where is he?
Louis, you have to catch it up. We'll take a team picture. We'll take a team picture.
Yep.
What should I throw in?
Yeah.
Wait, you bring it up in a second.
Okay, guys. Thank you, Coach Paul. We love you, but it's so sad. You know, could you please join them to take a group? It's their first game U16. Guys, it's your first game U16 and you killed it. Well done, guys. Good job. Don't cover anybody's face.
No, you stay in the middle.
And yeah, Louis, as we saw you doing the tradition of the smacking, thank you so much. Zyla, you're not showing, darling. Zahala, you're not showing. On camera, yes, coach. Coach, can we get that on camera, please? Yes, on video. The beating, the smacking. Yes, please, we want to. No, we want it, honestly. We want it, please. We have time. You're not showing my love. Louis, stand properly. Nicholas.
Okay, look.
Okay.
Look this way.
3, 2, 1. Go. Coach, please do the, please. Yes, we want it for video. Yes. We want it on video, coach. Thank you.
Again.
Oh, look at Kyle. Look at Rafael. They're waiting.
Yeah, we gotta get in on this. It's gonna please Paula, be careful. It's gonna run out the
Yeah.
No, guys, make us feedback.
You are not evil. You are not even. Guys, you're not even. Make sure you have a partner. Make sure you have a partner. Thank you so much, guys. It's been lovely, wonderful meeting you guys. Thank you. Oh. Oh my goodness. Thanks, guys. Oh.
It's not fun.
Hmm? It's in the car. It's in my car. Yeah. Thank you so much. Hmm? It's in the car. No, it's not. You still be seeing my naughty face. Yeah. Yes, you still see me. Yes, because Anthony's still here. Yeah. Yeah, he's still. Yeah. Yeah. Only Louis. Yeah. Yeah.
How about you?
I'll take him and then come back. Yeah. Yeah. I'll take him and then. In England, yes. To hug Coach Paul today. I'm hugging Coach Paul.
Oh, she's not mad at me today. She's not mad at me today. Oh, wow. Hey, I got to remember this one. I'm going to get a dinner. I got to go to the keg. I'm going to the keg. I'm going to the keg for this one. Have a good trip.
Thank
you going
so
with him?
much. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Keep
Yeah,
us
I'm
posted.
taking him. Thank you.
Keep us posted on how he does.
Yep. Thank you.
We love you
Thank
guys.
you
Have
so
a safe
much.
trip.
Thank
Macy's,
you.
don't be a stranger when you come back. When you come
I know I'm not a player. Yeah.
Yo, we're going to go to the keg and eat.
Then we can talk about it.
I know, right? Yeah. Thank you, parents. Thank you for putting up with me. I love you guys. I love you. I know. Yeah. No, I'm going to pass it on to Scott is going to be doing the video. Yeah. Scott. Scott has the patience. Scott has the patience, so he's gonna be the one. Yeah.
But your family is near there.
Yes,
So in
yes.
case he needs anything.
Yeah.
Oh,
they're
that's
gonna
good.
be there.
That'd
Yeah.
be
Thank you, my love. Now we want to go home. Oh dear. Guys, I'll still be around because Anthony's still here, right? So you're still gonna be hearing me when I'm shouting, "Come on, Kyle! Terry!" And Daniel, good job. King! I hate you like I hate Louis. Why did you have to cut your hair? Huh? The two of you, look at you. Why? Huh? No. I didn't recognize you, King, honestly. Like,
I know, I thought he was a new player on the team.
honestly, yeah. Yeah, exactly. Looks like Aiden. Yeah. All right, guys. Mom and Dad are waiting for us to go. Thank you so much, Etienne. Armand, Paxton. Yeah? You want to take it? We're here. We're not running. Okay.
falling down. You like falling down.
Soccer husband, Kwok, and let soccer husband and give him a hug.
Thank you.
My God.
We go back. We'll always have Cincinnati.
Sorry, Jennifer. Sorry, Jennifer. This is my soccer husband. Yes.
Cincinnati was fun.
Yeah. Cincinnati. Yeah.
Yeah, she was there.
Yep. Oh, bless. Then I go to my second husband, Kwok. Oh, gosh.
Don't worry.
Thank you so much for putting up with me,
Don't worry, I'm
guys.
gonna stalk you.
Whoa.
I gotta stalk you on YouTube.
Yes, thank you. Okay, where's your dad? You don't want to go. Yeah. Yeah.
You're gonna give me a hug. Mr.
Thank you.
Banter.
I
On
know,
your
right?
video, on your video. Hey, have a good trip, okay?
Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh. Mike. I'm here. Thank you so much. I'm sorry. Oh my God. I'm gonna miss you. Oh my God. I know. Oh God. Give Scotty a hug for me. Oh. Yeah, see you around. Yeah. Tony. Be nice knowing you, darling. Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Come to visit us. Yes, I'm still with Bolts. Anthony's still here. So, but when you have games, I'm around. You know.
Yeah, like today's game. So
Yeah.
you could come in.
Yeah. If it's not too far, you see me. Yeah. I'll come. Yeah. Okay. Right. Oh. You don't want to go. Oh, Tammy. Tammy said I didn't tell them.
Really?
Oh my God. It's a cool football thing. So, yeah. Yeah.
So will you send us ticket for the...
Oh, yeah. Amen. We'll see you all at the top. Yeah.
The classic one?
Yeah, we'll see you all at the top. Yeah. It's a school.
Which city?
It's in Kent. Kent, yes. Kent, which is closer to London. Unishock? No, he's going to stay there for
No, the school.
the school. So he's going to be going to grade year 10.
10.
Yeah, so after the year 10, he's got one more year to go. Okay.